to start the live with. Let's wait just a second.
'Cause the sky is finally open. The rain and wind stop blowing. But you're stuck out in the same old storm again. Let go of your umbrella. 'Cause darling, I'm just trying
Welcome
to tell you
to Energize. So we are having pouring rain here in Edenton, North Carolina. So we're going to have a nice energizing, steady flow so that we have steady energy despite the weather outside. All right. Find a nice place for yourself, sitting to start with. Relaxing your hands down on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment. Let's notice how our body feels. Deepen your breath a little bit. Let your ribs open up with the inhale. And relax with the exhale. A couple more times. On your next inhale, let's send the arms out to the side, right up overhead, and drop the hands in towards the heart. Let's take 3 deep breaths right here. A little lift with the inhale, and soften down with the exhale. And in, and big exhale. One more time, deep breath in. And full breath out. Relax the hands right down on the legs. Let's take a breath in and float the head up a little bit. And lean a bit over to your right. Drop your shoulder, drop your head over any amount. And come right back up through center to lift a little bit up. And exhale over to the left. Good. This time, let's take your right hand off to the side. Take a breath in. Reach the left arm up. And exhale over. Take your time. Big stretch. Push up through that right palm. Send your left hand over to the side. Reach the right arm up high. And exhale. Stretch over to the left. Gently bring yourself up tall, right into the center. Let's crawl your hands forward and stretch out. Relax your back here. Maybe a little sway side to side if that feels good. Just lengthening that lower back. Easy neck. And then using the palms of the hands to gently press your way back up. Let's send the hands behind the hips. Take a deep breath in and lift the chest a bit. And big exhale. Bring yourself back to center, hands resting on the knees. One more little check-in here. Deep breath in. And long exhale. One more time. Deep breath in. And big exhale. Lean off to your left side. Send your feet around and behind you. Make your way towards hands and knees. Take your time. Little shift side to side. Relax your belly towards the floor. Easy shoulders and hips here. Good. Tuck your toes in back. Take a deep breath in. Float the hips up and back to down dog. Shift the hips a little bit side to side. We're going to start to crawl your way forward on your mat. Take your time coming. Little hang when you get to the top of your mat. Relax your head and neck. And then roll up through the back. Take a deep breath in. Reach those arms up high. And bend your knees. Fold forward right back over the legs. Start to shift your weight and walk the feet right back where they came from, down dog. Shifting the hips a little bit side to side again, easy back. Let's send the weight over towards that left foot, float the right foot in the air, down dog split, reach up. Lean a little to the left to ease that foot forward between the hands and sink the hips down to a low lunge. Little rock side to side here. Deep breaths. Opening things up. And then drop that back knee all the way down. Breathe right here, maybe reaching and stretching around to one side. And then sending the hips towards that back foot. Lengthen out the front leg into a runner's stretch. Let the head drop forward in your mouth. Little rock and deep breath while you're here. This past year I got so much older. Crawling your way back forward towards that front leg. Tuck the back toes. Take a deep breath in. Float the hips up. And fold forward over that front leg. In through both knees, push through both feet, and let's roll your way right up through center. Reach high, and coming right back down. Lean towards the left to send that right foot back. Shift your weight towards the right foot. Float the left leg up high. And lean a little to the right to make some space for it to come through. Sink into your lunge on this side. Little rock side to side. Drop the back knee down. Keep breathing here. And send the hips back towards that back foot. Lengthen out the front leg. Runner stretch on this side. Relax forward. I couldn't be much higher without falling out of my And crawl your way back towards that front foot. Tuck the back toes. Take a deep breath in. Lift the hips up. And fall forward over that front leg. Bending both knees, press through the feet and roll your way up high. And come right back down, lean a little to the right and send that left foot back, down dog. Good, let's take a breath in and roll towards a high plank, lengthen the body out, shift the weight a little bit side to side here. So unweighting one hand a little bit, relax it while it hangs out. your time. You can keep your hips as high as you like here. Good. Let's take it all the way into a side plank. Take your time pressing into your right palm, open to the left, and take a deep breath in. And coming back to center. Ground that left palm into the ground, open to the right, and breathe in. And come back to center. Let's drop both knees down to the mat. Relax your hips forward any amount. Little sway and opening. And then shift your hips all the way back to a child's pose here. Drop all the way down. And roll your way back up to hands and knees. Tuck your toes in back. Take a deep breath in. Float the hips up and back to down dog. You can bend the knees here. Shift the hips a little bit side to side. And shift the weight over to the left foot. Send that right leg up in the air. Reach. Lean a little left to bring that foot forward. Press through both feet and come up nice and high. And we're going to twist around to the right. See if you can hook that left elbow on the outside of that right knee. Hang out right here a second. And then release that left palm down to catch you on the floor. Reach and open a little more to the right. And then we're going to spin all the way around. Ground your right palm. Drop your back heel. Open to a triangle to the left. Nice open chest. Bend both knees. Reach that top arm back. And bring yourself all the way up high. Reach the arms. Reach the body. And exhale, soften down to warrior two. Again, breathe in, reach up. And exhale, relax as you come down. One more time. Breathe it up. And sink it down. Reverse warrior. Drop that back arm. Tip it all the way back. And roll it forward. Ground your forearm, extended side angle. 2 more times. Reach that top arm all the way back to the back leg. Tip it back. And big exhale as you bring it forward. Open the chest, open the top shoulder. 1 more time. Reverse warrior. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the front of the body out. And then roll it forward, extended side angle. Roll the hips towards the floor, sink into your low lunge here a moment. Relax the hips, a little rock side to side. Good, lean a little left to the left palm and float that right foot back. Deep breath in, send the left leg up high. Lean a little to the right and bring that foot forward. Push down through both feet, bring yourself up. And let's rotate over to the left, hook that right elbow on the outside of that left knee. Hang out right here. And ease that right palm down to the floor. Take another big stretch and open to the left. And we're going to spin it all the way around. Ground your left hand. Spin and open to the right triangle. Bend through both knees. Reach that top arm back. And bring yourself all the way up high. Exhale, sink down. Easy shoulders. And reach up, breathe in. Big exhale, relax. One more time like this. Reach up. Exhale, sink. Drop that back arm, tip it back, reverse warrior. And roll it forward, extended side angle. Open that top shoulder, open the chest. And send it all the way back again. Stretch and reach. And roll it forward. Steady flow. One more time. Send it all the way back, reverse warrior. Take a deep breath in. And full breath out. Roll the hips forward towards the floor. Drop the hands down. Little sway side to side. Deep breaths. Lean into that right palm and ease that left foot back, down dog. Shift the hips a little side to side. Let's start to slowly walk the feet forward on the mat. Take your time coming. Nice big bend in the knees as you come forward. Hang the head here a moment. And then slowly roll up through your back. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms up. Let's have a little twist over to the right. And again, reach up. Twist left. One more time each side. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale up. And exhale. Good. Last big reach up high. And roll it all the way forward. Start your walk back on the mat, finding your down dog again. Take your time. Little shift of the hips, side to side. Good. Shift your weight onto your left foot. Lift your right up. Breathe in, reach. Lean a little to the left and bring that foot forward. Push down through both feet. Come up nice and high. Let's stay right here and sink down. Again, breathe in and reach up. Exhale, sink. One more time. Breathe in, reach. And let's go for that same twist. Hook your left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Hang right here. Deep breath. Release that left palm to the floor. One more twist and opening to the right. And let's spin it around again. Place that right palm down. Open to the left triangle. And breathe. Bend through both knees. Reach that top arm back. Bring yourself all the way up high. And sink down to warrior two. One more time. Breathe in, lift up. Exhale, sink it down. Let's do one reverse warrior here. Tip it back. As we come forward, we're going to reach for the floor and crawl our way forward to warrior three. Float that back leg up. Soften through both knees and roll your way up to standing. Hug that left knee in. Good. Find a tree pose here. Nice place for that left foot to rest. And anything you want to do with your arms. You can float them up. You can rest them at your chest or leave them down. Deep breath. Good. Relax the arms down. Let's hug that knee into the chest one more time. And let's dive forward right back to that warrior three. Float that left leg up. Good. Reach that leg back. Press through both palms and send that front foot back to down dog. Shift the hips, relax the back. And bring Bring your weight onto that right foot. Float the left leg up high. Breathe in. Lean a little bit to the right to bring that foot forward. Push through both feet. Roll your way up high. And let's stay right here. Sink down. Again. Breathe in, lift up. And exhale, relax. And breathe in. And soften down. Good. This time we're going to breathe it up and rotate over to the left. Hook that right elbow. Little twist. And lower that right palm to the floor. Take a deep breath in. A little more twist and open to the left. And let's spin it all the way around. Triangle opens to the right. Soften through both knees. Bring yourself all the way up nice and high. Breathe in. Exhale, sink down. One more time. Lift everything up. And exhale, sink. Let's reverse warrior. One time, reach back. As we roll it forward, reach the hands towards the floor. Crawl your way into that warrior three. Float the back leg up. Bend through both knees and roll up to standing. Hug that right knee in. And find a tree pose on this side. Whatever you want to do with your arms. Keep your body soft and movable. Your tree pose doesn't have to be still. You can breathe and move. Good. Relax your arms down. Let's hug that right knee into the chest once more. And dive it forward to warrior three. Relax. Reach that right foot back. Press through the palms and send the left foot back. Shift the hips a little bit side to side. Take a breath in. Let's roll it towards your plank. Lengthen the body out, and let's rock it a little side to side. Take your time. All right, let's take it into a full side plank. Press into the right palm, twist and open to the left. Breathe in. And come back to center. Press into the left palm, open and stretch. And come back. Let's go one more time each side. Press into the right palm, open and reach. And back to center. Last time. Press and open. And right back to center. Drop both knees down to the mat. Relax the hips forward. Open the chest. Maybe a little twist around to one side. And the other side. You can go all the way down on your chest if this doesn't feel good on your back. Careful with the lower back here. Let's go ahead and release all the way forward. Reach the hands behind the back, interlace the fingers. Little sway side to side. Breathe well. Good. Release the hands, bring them back under the chest. Push through the palms. Right back to hands and knees. Tuck your toes in back. Take a deep breath in. Float the hips up and back to down dog. Here we go again. Press into the left foot. Reach the right foot up high. Lean a little left and ease it forward. Press through both feet. Come up. Exhale, soften down. 2 more times. Reach up and exhale. Once more, reach and soften down. Good, let's take a little twist here. So breathe in, open the arms to the right, twist and look to the right. And then bring it right back to the front. Reach up. Exhale, twist right. One more time. Breathe up. Twist right. Now we're going to breathe it up and open to warrior 2 facing left. We're going to hang out right here and breathe. Use your breath. So you don't have to keep it absolutely still, just like your tree. You can breathe your warrior a little bit up. And you can sink it a little bit down. You can turn your palms up if that helps your shoulders relax. Maybe think of reaching those palms away from the body. 2 more breaths. Good. Take a breath in, reach everything up high, and sink it right back to that warrior 2. Let's tip it back, reverse warrior. And let's bring the hands forward to the floor. Roll into your warrior 3. Float that back leg up. Soften through both legs. Coming up to tall. We're going to dive it right back down and play this back and forth. Relax the body, roll up to standing. Again, drop it forward. And ease it up. 2 more times. Warrior 3. Roll it up. Last time, dive down and roll it up. Good. Relax that foot right down on the floor. Take a deep breath in, lift up high. Let's drop the hands right into the heart. Relax the feet into the floor. Take 3 deep breaths right here. Big exhale. Again, breathe in and out. On the next breath, reach the hands up high. Roll it forward. Press through the palms and start to walk the feet back. Find your down dog. Same thing other side. Lean to the right foot, float the left leg up high. Lean to the right and ease that left leg forward. Press through both feet, roll up through center. Sink down right there. 2 more. Breathe in and sink down. And breathe in and sink down. Now we're going to twist it. Breathe in. Open the arms to the left, twist and look left. And come up to center. Again, twist and look to the left. One more time, reach up. And open and twist. And now let's open it all the way to the right. Find your warrior 2. And settle in. Easy shoulders. What can you relax? Remember your breath. You can turn those palms up, relax the shoulders even more. Feel your feet supported by the floor. Nice. Take a deep breath in. Lift everything up high. And sink right back down. Tip it back. Reverse warrior reach. And we're going to crawl the hands forward on the floor. Float that back leg up. Warrior three. Soften through both knees. Roll your way up to standing. Hug that knee. Here we go. Easy back and forth. Dive down. Roll it up. Dive it down. Roll it up. Keep your body as relaxed as you can. Dive. And roll. We've got two more to go. Dive. And roll. Last one, down. And roll it up. And place that right foot all the way down on the floor. Lift everything up nice and high. Drop the hands to the heart. Relax the shoulders. 3 deep breaths. And the last breath, let's float those arms up nice and high. Let's give ourselves another twist over to the right. And reach up high. And twist it to the left. One more time each side. Breathe it in. And exhale, twist. Breathe in. Exhale, twist. One more, reach up high. Bend the knees and fold forward over the legs. Find the floor. And slowly walk the feet back. Shift the hips a little side to side. Take a deep breath in. Roll it to your high plank. Last set of planks here. Shift the weight gently side to side. See if you can really let one side of the body take a nice break and vacation. Do less. Good. Let's press into that right palm and open it nice and wide. Side plank. And come back through center. Press into that left palm. Open to the right. And come into center. One more time each side. Roll it to the left and open up. Come through center. Roll it to the right and open. Nice. Drop both knees down to the mat. Ease your hips any amount forward. Open the chest. Little twist side to side. Let's drop the chest all the way down once more. Reach the hands behind the back. Little lift. Little rock side to side. Drop the hands underneath the chest. Push up and back. Tuck the toes. Take a deep breath in. Float the hips up to down dog. Good. Let's take a nice stretch. Float that right leg up in the air. Down dog split. We're going to ease that leg forward into a pigeon. Careful with the hips here. You can bend that back knee around and bring it more open if you like, or send that leg back. Find a good place for you. Take a little opening if you like. And then walk yourself forward. Same thing here. Once you get forward, play around with where you want to settle in. Maybe over towards one side or over towards the other side. Deep breaths in and out. Stay right where you are, or if you want to come up and bend that back knee, you can reach for the back ankle, draw it in towards the back hip. Stretch out the quad. Good, let's keep leaning off to the right and just bring that back leg around in front. You can stack up the ankles and the knees here into fire log, or you can go back to just a crossed, comfortable position. Good. Take a deep breath in, lift everything up, and then crawl your hands forward any amount. Relax your chest, relax your neck.
Everybody says forever, but it's never round when it dies.
Deep breaths in and out.
My heart is on the table. Somebody's gotta try. I'm feeling in an air.
You can explore around one side or the other side. No rules, just listen to your body. Keep it soft and easy. Shouldn't be painful at all.
Waiting for something else right. One more night.
Good. Let's press our way back up through the palms. Both palms coming behind the hips. A little opening of the chest. Stretch back. And then lean your way back over to the right side. Send that top leg all the way back and around. Tuck the toes in back. Coming through your pigeon and press your way right back into down dog. Soften the back, soften the hips. Same thing to the other side. Lean over towards the right. Lift the left leg up high. And ease that left leg forward into a pigeon. Settle into a place that feels good. If you want to stretch up and open for a moment, maybe rotating a little side to side. And then eventually crawling your way forward to a comfortable place. Keep those deep breaths going. It's a nice place to listen to your ribs as they expand on your inhale. And then relax on the exhales. You can stay right where you are if that feels good, or you can crawl your way up and bend that back knee. Reach for the back foot or ankle. Lean it forward, stretch out that quad.
On the table.
Keeping the body as relaxed as you can here. Good. Leaning way off to the left. Swing that right leg around into the front. We'll stack up the ankles and the knees here. Easy hips. Maybe a little rock side to side once you get here. If this doesn't feel good, just lower that ankle down to the floor. And then whenever you're ready, gently crawling your way forward. Ease the chest forward. Same thing here. If you want to keep a little movement going to keep things soft and keep aware of what's happening, you can sway a little bit left and right.
Oh, let's run away. I don't know where we are going. Let's go far today, and it's all gonna be wonderful.
And then coming out of this nice and slowly, pressing up through your palms, send those hands behind the hips. Let's take a deep breath in, open the chest, stretch back. And gently coming out, leaning back to the left and sending that right leg around and back again. Right through your pigeon, tuck your back toes and press into your down dog. Gently shifting the hips a little side to side. Take a deep breath in and press up onto the tiptoes nice and high. Exhale, drop the heels back, soften the knees. And again, take a deep breath in, press up on the toes. And exhale. Let's go one more time. Deep breath in, press up. Exhale, down. Good. Let's take a slow walk to the front of the mat. Take your time, shifting your weight side to side from one foot to the other foot. When you get to the top of your mat, hang your head, relax your shoulders, and then roll up through your back nice and slowly. Take a deep breath in, reach the arms up high. And then fold forward, right back over the legs. This time we're going to walk the hands out in front of the feet. Press into the palms, sink down into a little squat. You can widen the feet here, shifting a little bit side to side in your squat. You can open and stretch over to one side. And spin and open to the other side. Good. Sending the hands behind you, sitting down on the hips. Bringing the soles of the feet together. Good. Take a deep breath in, lift the chest up. One more forward fold, walking the hands forward. Relax the hips.
It's hard to breathe when all you know is the struggle of staying
Deep breaths.
rising waterline.
Roll your way back up and then sending both feet out to the front.
The sky is
You can keep a nice bend in the knees here. Open the chest.
stop blowing.
And then crawl your way forward over the legs.
Same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella. Well, darling, I'm just trying to tell you.
Good. Coming up, bending the knees, holding onto the knees. Just roll onto the back for a moment here. Lengthen the legs out in front. Relax the arms down by your side. Take a couple of deep breaths. Really sink into the floor. Relax the back. Relax the legs.
And at least a million others. So tie up the bow, take off your coat, and take a look around.
Bend the knees. Place the feet flat on the floor. Roll over to one side. Press through the palms. And ease your way back up to sitting. Crossing those legs underneath. Rest the hands on the knees. Good. Let's stretch the right hand off to the side. Reach the left arm up. And bend over to the right. Ease your way back up through center. Send that left hand off to the side. Reach up high. And stretch over to the left. And come back to center. Drop your hands on your legs. Take a listen to the body. Notice how everything feels. 3 deep breaths here. All the way in, open the ribs wide.
But you're stuck out in the
Big exhale, relax. 2 more times like that.
Let go of your
Full breath in.
Darling, I'm just trying to tell
And big exhale, relax. And last time, full breath in.
There's always been a rainbow.
And big breath out. Nice job. You did it. Yay. The rain has stopped.
It'll all be alright.
Thank you for joining us for Energize Yoga. I hope you feel great and open, a little more energetic for the rest of your day. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you next time.